Hey guys, let's draw this really easy Among Us character. Alright, so let's get started. So we're gonna draw its goggles first. We're gonna make a really interesting oval. Don't worry if it's not perfect, it doesn't need to be perfect. So now we're going to make its cloaky body thingy-mabobber. I have no idea how to describe it, but you're gonna want to draw a line like this. And we're gonna connect it after we draw a squiggly line from this side. So you want to bring it down from here and kind of make a little wavy motion and flick it up. And then from there we're going to connect it. So bring our line and close it, just like that. Make sure the end is a bit pointed, like this. And now we're going to draw its backpack. So we just have to draw a curved box like this. Can you believe it? We are actually done with the line art. It only took a minute to do it, so it's a really quick process, huh? So I'm going to be coloring it. You can follow along with me. I'm going to be kind of speeding it up, so take your time. I'm gonna take purple and fill in the body, just like that. So cool. Next I'm gonna do its goggles, so get a gray or a blue and you can fill it in all the way. Now I'm going to make the little shadow, so I'm going to get a darker gray and draw a little curved line at the bottom part of the goggles and then fill it in, so it looks like a shadow, right? Now you want to get a white and make a reflection. And then you want to fill in the backpack. I'm going to give it more shadows now so it looks more real. I'm going to draw a line from the backpack and then a little squiggly line going down and then back around. And I'm gonna fill this in. So using like a dark purple, I'm gonna fill it in like that. And you should too. It kind of really gives it a dimensional effect, right? Great, so now we are actually really done. So I really like how it came out. It's super easy. And once again, thank you for watching and I hope you like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.